Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock the dark mode on your iPhone. It's quite straightforward when you know where the setting is, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone. The first thing we need to do is navigate over to the settings. Click on settings. From here, we can see all of these different settings. We're going to scroll down until we can find the display and brightness setting. Click on that. And then in here you have light mode and dark mode. And you can see that there's also a button for automatic underneath. Now what basically that means is it's going to detect the surrounding light that you have. So as it gets darker during the day, it's going to want to enable dark mode, and light mode will be during the day. Now I have mine just set to dark all of the time, and then I have the deactivated automatic mode. But again, you have the ability to change that if you want. So if you wanted it to be on like this, as you can see, it's automatically detecting that it is daytime and therefore it's in light mode. I don't like that. I want it in dark mode, so I leave it in dark mode just like this. But ultimately that is where the setting is. That's where you would find it. It's in settings under display and brightness. And it is as easy as that essentially to activate dark mode on your iPhone. If this has been helpful and useful in any way, make sure to smash that like button for me, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.